way to make metals less bendable is by heating them up. So if you look to the right, there's a really great diagram of a metal and what it looks like when it's zoomed in. Um, you can see that there's all these like triangle outline parts, and that's actually different crystals meeting each other at different angles. So all the dots are making up a crystal that's hitting a different microscopic crystal at a different angle. So it's not all just one uniform, perfect crystal structure. But then also within all these little dot parts, if you look on the left, you can see all these like lines within the different cube sectioned off sections, and those lines are the dislocations. So that exists in each of the microscopic crystals within the metals, if that makes sense. And to make metals harder, we want to keep the dislocations from moving. We don't want different spaces to be moving and to cause bigger effects in the whole crystal in general, right? Because if there's space for the atoms to move into, then it becomes bendable. So if you heat it up and you cool it in different ways, there's different chemistry behind it. And if you go to the video on the bottom left, at 250, it starts really getting into the chemistry, but the whole video is pretty interesting as well. The different cooling processes will make it recrystallize in different ways, and basically the point is to make it so that the dislocations are harder and harder to move within the new crystal structures, so that it doesn't bend as easily. And also to just make them more compact, because that also just makes the metal harder, as we learned before. Cool.